Hi Pooja, welcome to this chat.
Hey Roshni, thank you so much. Thanks for having me for your live chat or I think the interview, whatever I should term. These new terms, so many terms I've learned in this lockdown. Oh my God.
One of them is
Those Zoom
video
meetings.
interview. Video interview,
Tell me
That's the
about
new
it.
trend. Right. Pooja, right now I think you are the only actor who's doing two shows. At a time when people are
Really?
struggling with one show, I would assume, and by chance we stumble upon somebody else, that might be just another one. But otherwise, we haven't
Yeah.
really heard of
Yeah.
anybody else managing two shows. So tell me about it and how are you managing?
Again, I before the interview started that I mentioned that you all are managing, but right now when I got the offer for Kumkum Bhagya, by that time I did not even uh, start with normal shooting of Kasauti, the new normal, I'll say, how we are shooting with PPE gears and mask and this and that, sanitizers and everything. So I wasn't even aware how I'm going to start with the new normal. And this offer came in and I was like, can you just hold on? Because this it's too much because I don't even know how well will I manage because जो चीज आपने की नहीं है जो आपने experience नहीं की है what are the shortcomings, what are the like difficulties that I'm facing every day during shoot, I don't even know. So how can I just say yeah I can manage two shows?
Yeah.
लेकिन मेरी एक चीज है which I don't know how much you know about me, but the thing is, whenever I don't know what is there in store for me, things which are uncertain, unknown, I just grab the opportunity. I have always done that.
Okay.
So I did not say no, but I did not say yes also. It was like that. I said we'll see, and then I spoke to the creators and all. They said, "Ma'am, you're the writer's choice, and the writer wants you to do the show." And then I looked at other people and I realized कि actually लोगों के पास अभी फिलहाल उतना ज़्यादा काम नहीं है जो पहले हुआ करता था. I took it as a blessing,
And
and I
two
thought
popular
probably
shows,
I should.
Kumkum Bhagya and Kasauti.
Yeah.
Shows that are much talked
Yeah. In fact, because you know why? After the accident, there was a phase. I'm sure you know that I was bedridden for a while. For 1 month, I was on bed rest, complete bed rest. Yeah, I think that phase taught me a lot, and I understood. Like we all take things for granted eventually. We may not accept it, but we do. Sometimes we take granted, like take things a lot, granted and everything. So I realized what all things I was taking for granted. And then in that phase, I realized that whatever work I'm getting, I should be thankful because my work made me heal faster. If I hadn't, signed up with Kehne Ko Humsafar Hai season 3, if I wasn't doing Casino for Z, and if I wasn't part of Kasauti, just imagine what was I looking forward to every day? Nothing. If I wasn't doing that, then I would have actually probably may not have healed faster or better the way I've healed right now.
Yeah.
So I took it that way and I realized that whatever comes in my way, I shouldn't say no. And in fact, that's what I'm saying. Again, I thought manageable nahi hoga, ho jayega, nahi hoga, that dilemma and all those thoughts that were hovering in my mind. Then the production spoke to me. They said, "Ma'am, your makeup room is same. Your hair and makeup team, is there on the set, the same people. The set is the same. It's just, I think 10 feet away from one another.
Yeah.
All you have to do is change your dress."
It's quite interesting and challenging too because you're playing a much younger character. You're, something different.
Yeah. I just there was one line yesterday with Karan Patel. He's playing the new Mr. Badal of Kasauti. Okay.
Yeah.
So he said, Nivedita Basu, just mind your age, okay? And he was like, "How old are you? You don't look old to me." I said, for the audience, yeah, I am old, okay? I'm not really old, but I'm not even young. I'm not that.
You're Shabir's daughter now. Shabir and Shritija's daughter. So that's very
correct.
Interesting.
So yeah, I'm in one show I'm flirting with Karan Patel, and in one show I'm playing daughter to Shabbir Ahluwalia.
No, that's the beauty of your job. So you kind of get to play so many different
I
characters.
think that's good for that. Roshni, I think really very few people I've seen that they can switch characters in a day. Forget about uh, 1 month or probably one show. What happens? A lot of people, they take work home.
Hmm.
घर पे जाके रिहर्सल करेंगे, घर पे जाके मिरर के सामने they'll keep enacting, acting, watching videos, series and all. I am one person, I am Pooja Banerjee immediately after the cut.
Okay. So
And I really don't forget, like I actually forget whatever I did in this scene. It's not that I forget, मतलब मुझे याद नहीं रहता, is that consciously I make effort not to remember anything.
That's a good balance to have actually also in life. While it's good for both your roles, it's also good for you when you're back home, and in terms of life.
It's very important because otherwise, as an actress, I will lose out on my personal life, my family, my friends. I don't want to do that. I belong to a middle class family, where studies and having a job was the only thing my family members have desired or wished for. So for me, I want to stay close to them as well. I just don't want to have an actress life and forget where I came from.
So talking about family, Pooja, how did they react, when they heard that one of your co-actors, Parth Samthan, tested positive, and then all you guys had to go through, your tests. Of course, you came negative, but were they apprehensive about things post that, about you going back to shoot?
You'll be surprised, I was in awe of my family's reaction. You know why, Roshni? My husband was like, Pooja, do not give a hard time to Parth. Don't bother him. Don't ask him. Let him be. He is sick. He is not well. My mother-in-law, she's like, कुछ नहीं होगा. अगर हो गया तो भी डरना नहीं. We are there for you.
Right.
So even my secretary of the building, how crazy it is out there in Bombay,
in society.
Right?
Yeah.
So in Bombay, my secretary called me and he's asking me, ma'am, I got to know that your co-actor is positive. I just want to know if you're okay, you're doing good or not, because I just want to know, not because, I don't want to intrude into your privacy or stop people from entering your floor or whatever. He didn't do that. So I was whatever I was trying to, rather I say I was actually, I actually kind of became a flag bearer for these things, because it's not about social distancing, it's physical distancing. You have to maintain a distance, but not forget that you're a human at the end of the day. You can't just forget that the other person who's sick is a person, and that's what COVID taught people initially, that nahi, dur rehna hai. But when Parth tested positive, my reaction around my people was just the opposite. They said, it's okay, don't forget, we are there for you. And I realized that so many people out there who were going through this kind of a phase, who probably were sick or met people who were sick, they must be going through trauma, and how? Right?
That's true. In fact, so many such cases where societies tend to kind of distance themselves completely, almost ostracize some people. But thankfully, things are changing now, and I think we've all realized that we have to live with COVID. So,
we have to. No, that's what I'm saying. I told my husband, don't come to me. Don't come close to me. Stay away. Stay in some other room. I'll go in this room. He's like, chill, relax. You don't have to be paranoid, because if something goes wrong with you, there's quite a possibility that even I'm sick, along with you only. Just because you got to know somebody's result today, things will not change. So relax. I said, okay.
Which is true. And of course, we have to focus on the rate of recovery, which is very high. I'm sure.
Yeah.
Going and, keeps people positive even in these tough times.
True.
In terms of on the set and all, I think you're managing really well. I mean, all production houses are taking.
That's good. Yeah.
So, Pooja, talking about work, tell me, off late you've been playing these negative roles, which you're quite, you've been very much appreciated.
3 years.
Yeah. But prior to that, it was positive. So at that time, you were waiting to come to a point where, you can do something really conniving and negative in that sense.
Yeah.
So now, are you
Roshni,
tired of it, or are you still having a blast?
if I've taken another show where I'm again playing a negative, I don't think I'm tired still.
Right. I was about to say that because I knew Kumkum also is, has got shades of
It's
negativity.
a negative. Yeah,
Uh,
yeah. But then there was a point, Roshni. I think nobody knows about it except my very close people. I'm sharing this for the first time actually in any interview. Uh, I had planned to leave the city, leave
oh,
acting. I had planned to leave the city,
okay.
4 years back. I had 4 years, 3.5 years back. I had decided to leave the city. I was just not happy being an actor because I realized being lead is it's too sweet, too monotonous, and you have to be really good and nice. For me as an actor, I really got bored. I wanted something different, and I thought it's okay. I think I had told my parents that I'll leave acting the day I stop being happy. And that particular time, I had stopped being happy. In fact, I had so like such big plans to leave Bombay that I had given away my utensils, my clothes. I was selling things and everything. I was just clothes. Yeah, that's when Sandeep came. Like Sandeep was always there in my life, but he made me realize that this is who you are now. This is what you want. If you're done with being a positive girl or a lead, try something different. Try negative. I think you'll do great in negative. That was his idea, and that's how it started doing negative and great characters.
And you must be really glad for that advice.
I know, I
Worked
know. I
beautifully for
think
you.
he's a great advisor for me.
Yeah, okay. I'm sure it seems like because it's worked so well for you. You may be playing negative, but then you're so liked. And I think that is
Yeah.
really a huge compliment for
it, it is difficult to be a negative or a gray or the villain in the show and yet be loved at the
yeah.
same time. It's not that easy because you generally get the hate.
Correct. Because people see you day in and day out, conniving or whatever, but still to get appreciated so well, that means I think you're going to continue this for a while at least.
For a while, yeah, for sure. Till the time I don't, again, I'm saying, till the time this saturation doesn't come.
Yes, and no, but I think that's the mark of the actor. Where you've done positive, now you're doing negative. You'll have another positive, and as long as I think the roles really matter now. Gone are the days when we say
Yeah,
lead actor. It's just what is your character, what is your role, show.
because Roshni, I always wanted to be a versatile actor. I never wanted to be get stereotyped or I didn't want people to say that she's fit for only these roles or she's fit for this role. I have done mytho shows through costume dramas to youth shows. So youth show was my swim team. Costume drama was hot film. Mytho was I've done Radha Krishna. Then I've done Chandra Nagari, Chandrakanta, and I've done Vikram and Betal. And then I've been a typical bahu with my first show, Ek Dusre Se Karte Hai Pyar Hum.
Yeah.
Then I've been a rock star in Ghar Aaja Pardesi. And then Nagarjun, I was just a very simple, docile girl. So I've done, but those were not giving me, like, they were, at that time they were. But then I realized, हो गया, काफी, कुछ नया करेंगे अभी.
Great. So I think that's really nice. And so I want to thank you on that note, Pooja, for being a part of this chat. It was much fun talking to you.
My pleasure. My pleasure.